Hey, it's Shar. Just want to check in and see how you're doing. Wanted to cover a few things. If you haven't registered for our Bold class, that's something that you need to get on your agenda. It starts June 4th and it's going to run 7 weeks. This is something that we're asking all agents to do. And you guys, honestly, if I look back over the last year, I've actually got my Bold book here in my office. It's something that I reference every day. Give me a nice binder, lots of scripts and information. It is actually a pivotal point of what made me have a successful year last year. So I know a few of you have full-time jobs. If there's any way possible that you can see if you can get Wednesdays off, I will guarantee that you will kickstart your real estate career into overdrive once you're done with this. So see if you're able to do that. I'm going to be following up with each of you just to see if there's something I can do to help get you in it. We do have scholarships available if you need some help with that. Also wanted to talk with you as we're getting busy and we're filling out the green sheets. It's been brought to my attention, quite a few of you don't know what the family fund is. And this is actually something that is on all green sheets across the nation. All Keller Williams agents have the opportunity to donate to the family fund, and that is actually what makes sure that you get paid and you are made whole when we sell a competitor's listing that only pays us $1. So if you need to know a little bit more about the family fund, how it started, why it's there, please let me know. But this is actually the fund that pays you when you sell a listing that only pays you $1. It's across the nation, but it is specifically for us here in Des Moines because this situation is only happening here. So if you need some information or have questions about what that is, please message me, call me, and I'd be happy to share it with you. I hope that you're having a productive spring. It's fantastic. If you need some help with scripts, if you're running into any difficulties as far as some obstacles in your own business that you need some help, maybe even some masterminding, please feel free to reach out and let me know. I think Bold is purple like our color squad for a reason because we're all going to be incredibly successful. So please let me know if you need anything. I'm just a phone call away and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.